In this topic geometry, I'll discuss two subtopics, one Euclidean geometry, another analytic geometry. Wonder why Euclidean geometry? Because Euclid is the one who made first largest contribution to mathematics through his book Elements. In this book, he has discussed many important concepts of geometry and their applications with many theorems and proofs. This is a very good read. Any student who is good with his analytical skills can master this chapter geometry, or anyone with poor analytical skills, if he is keen on improving them, it is good to concentrate the problems of this geometry topic. Also, the concepts of this topic are very much important for physics. For example, in optics, ray optics is also called as geometrical optics because in ray optics we study the geometry of a light ray. So that is how geometry plays a very important role in a huge topic of physics, which is optics. And this topic has its application in many topics of physics like mechanics, electricity and magnetism, etc. For a start, let's talk about the symbol pi, pi, or Physics IIT Academy, Pi Academy. But this is not the pi I want to talk about. It's the pi discussed in geometry, which is the ratio of circumference of a circle to its diameter. This is what is defined as pi. Pi value is said to be 3.14 or 22/7, but these two are not the exact values of pi. These are just close values, small, big, medium, or whatever the size is. Calculate the circumference and the diameter of any circle and take the ratio. Always it turns out to be a constant. That constant is named as pi by mathematicians, and if you calculate this value, it turns out to be 3.14 something. And if you try to calculate this with the most sophisticated instruments, the decimal values will never end. They continue till infinity, which is why it is a irrational number. After observing that this ratio is turning out to be constant, that is how the formula of circumference of a circle is given as pi times of diameter, or 2 pi r, because diameter is 2 times of r. So this is how the concepts of geometry are revised in this topic, and also a different perspective of many concepts will be given if you wanted to know more about this by this course.